guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I will be sharing 8 new beautiful colors by the Shine Last and Go collection by Essence. These are 8 colors that are actually from their new spring summer collection update. They do updates twice a year when it comes to the entire Essence brand. So if you're curious to see what colors are new in their collection, please keep on watching. And if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But first of all, a little extra information on these polishes. I have purchased these myself. They are €1.69 here in the Netherlands at least. Prices may vary depending on where you live. They contain, I think, 8 milliliters of polish. They have a very nice rounded brush, as you will see in the swatches as well. And I am going to swatch them on my little thumb, which still has a little bit of gel on there because there is a little tear in one of my side walls and I just simply don't want to cut all of my nails short yet. So yeah, let's continue to all of the swatches. Thanks a lot for watching on forehand. I love you so much, and as usual I hope to see you in my next video as well. So let's get into the swatches and just showing you the bottles up first, because there are 8 really cute new colors in this new Shine Last and Go collection, or at least in their update, because they still have 40 other shades in their collection. So yeah, definitely check them out if you're curious about them. I have been loving them ever since Essence came out with the Shine Last and Go collection, because one, they are really affordable, they are vegan, they are cruelty free, they are easy to get by, and you don't get the huge bottle of 15 milliliters that you're never going to finish anyway. So they are quite cute, inexpensive. Yeah, I like them. I like them a lot, as you might have noticed in my previous videos as well, because I tend to use these a lot too. So yeah, this was a little swatch, or not really swatches, but just a little look of how the bottles look. And of course I am going to do the swatches on my thumb. As I mentioned in the intro, I do have a little bit of gel top coat still on there, just to make sure that I'm able to grow out the tear that's into the sidewall. But the first color I am going to swatch for you guys is number 73. It's called Peach Please. It is a very lovely peachy, kind of like a salmony kind of color in my opinion, but in this new spring summer 2021 update they have come out with some pastel neon colors, and this one comes pretty close in my opinion. It still is a very soft and wearable color, but especially if you have a little bit of a tan going on, it would look popping off of your nails, really pretty. One thing I did notice with the lighter colors, the pastel colors, is that they definitely needed 2 decent coats, for some even a 3rd coat, but just for the sake of this video and not to make it super long, I'm just going to swatch each color with 2 coats, of course waiting about 5 minutes or so in between every single layer, just to make sure that the color is a little bit more dry before going in with the next, so you actually have a decent end result view of what it would look like if you would apply it on all of your nails as a decent long wear manicure. So yeah, this was the first color already. I'm really curious to hear what you think about these colors, by the way, because I am pretty much in love with them, but do let me know if you have tried them out for yourself and what you think about them. So the second color already is this beautiful lilac-y color. I really love it. It is so pretty, and of course I am showing you all of the names and numbers in the footage, so if you just want to know any particular name, let me know in the comments down below, or just skip back a little bit in the video and just look at the name that's on the bottle. But yeah, this second color, very lovely bright lilac-y color. Lilac is actually one of my favorite colors colors. When it comes to clothing as well, I'm really taking a shift on what colors I like to wear most lately. I've been really loving yellows and like some lighter, like muted greens even though green is like my least favorite color. But I really love lilacs as well, especially the pastel ones. This one is a little bit more on the bright side, but I pretty much love it anyways. So yeah, I really love switching it up every now and then, and I just feel like that is something that people go through when they get older. Like their taste just shifts and they start to like things that they never like, and they start to dislike things that they always liked. So yeah, it's quite funny to like notice it on myself mostly. Just there's a whole shift going on at the moment. But this is a color that is definitely going to stay on my work desk for a little bit, because I might even do a nail polish of the week video with it, because I just think it's a really cute color. Another cute color is the next one I'm showing right here. This one is Cotton Candy Love, number 75. Once again, all of the polishes by Essence Cosmetics are vegan, cruelty free, and there aren't any like crazy toxins in there and stuff like that. You know, they're just very safe to use, especially if you apply them correctly. But that pretty much goes for every single cosmetic product that I share here or anyone else actually uses in daily life. So yeah, just for the record, always make sure that you don't apply it on the cuticles, and if you have any flooding on the sidewalls or onto the skin next to your nail or your cuticle, just make sure to remove it, either with a little brush and some acetone or nail polish remover, or just simply with your fingernail, which is something that I tend to do a lot, especially if the polish is still wet. You can just easily just swipe it off, and that's that. But yeah, this color, it is just a cute pink color, very girly, just adorable. I love it. Once again, this one might even need a third coat, especially on my longer nails. I do think that if you have shorter nails like I do and don't really have like a long, like extended free edge, you could easily just pull off 2 coats, but I feel like it's still a little bit patchy, or at least for my personal preference. Let's just put it to that. But other than that, it's a really cute color, and I will be having that one on my work desk for a little longer as well. I think I want to do like a water marble with some of the colors from this new Shine Less Than Go collection. So yeah, next up is Frozen Mint. I was a little bit thrown off by the first coat, but something I would love to share with you guys is don't like judge a color by its first coat, because a second coat will definitely make a lot better, even for these kind of colors, which I had really high hopes for. But yeah, because they are quite light colors and the like substancy isn't like super thick, they definitely need a second coat. But I do feel like because these are quite easy to work with, it doesn't really take up a lot of extra time to actually apply an extra layer. Other than that, like with 2 coats, it was like 80% opaque on my long nails, I have to say. So yeah, definitely check it out for yourself if you have shorter nails or maybe even longer nails than I do. Do let me know how many coats you needed for these polishes to get them completely opaque. Yeah, another thing I wanted to mention is, I think something I mentioned in the intro as well, is that the brush is just nice and rounded, and I'm just a big fan of it because these are so inexpensive. They're like, here in the Netherlands, they're only €1.69 a bottle, which is so inexpensive in my opinion. It's even for a drugstore polish or brand. I think they're really affordable, and I sometimes people think like if something is inexpensive, the quality might not be as good, and sometimes that definitely is the case. But for essence polishes, I am rarely disappointed, to be honest. So yeah, just wanted to put that out there. Like, buying something for an affordable price or even a cheap price doesn't like automatically mean it is a cheap or bad quality product. So yeah, And the same goes like the other way around though. If you buy a nail polish that is like 25 euros, it isn't automatically a great or perfect polish. And that is something that I have noticed while using my new Chanel polishes, because I actually recently bought some really high-end ones. I have already uploaded my Dior review, which was pretty good. I really liked them, but they still were quite expensive. But the Chanel polishes, I'm not really blown away by so far. So yeah, that's just something I'm going to talk about further in a future video where I'm going to do the full-on review and swatches on those colors. But yeah, brand and price doesn't always guarantee good quality. Let me just put it to that. But this next color I'm already applying the second coat of here is actually a beautiful blue denim color. I'd say it's a muted bright blue. But of course you can just call it a denim color as well. I think it's a really cute one. It still is quite bright. It's called Deep Sea Baby, by the way. I didn't mention the name yet, but of course you could have already seen it in the first shot of this nail polish. I think it's a cute color. I think there are a lot of blue lovers out there as well, so definitely pick that one up if you're interested, because it was fully opaque with just 2 coats. And for my fellow Dutchies out here, or anyone who loves oranges, this next color is bomb. I love it so much, and I'm just fully biased. I'm just going to like admit that right away. I'm so biased when it comes to orange colors because I am Dutch and it's our national color, and I just love orange colors. I just love it. I don't know. Maybe it has something to do with just the fact that I am Dutch, but it pretty much is a cute color though. You can't deny that. It is a very fun, summery, bright color. It is a little bit of like a deeper orange in my opinion, but the application was quite nice. All of the like substances and just quality of these polishes are quite nice. They apply really nicely with that rounded brush, and the second coat made it completely opaque on my nails even. I think if you have shorter nails you could even wing it with just 1 coat, but yeah, I am pretty much obsessed with this color. Do make sure to wear a good layer of base coat or a couple of layers of base coat when wearing this one, because I am predicting it is a staining color. So yeah, make sure to prevent any staining and discoloration and just apply a good amount of base coat. Something that I love to do is actually just do a sandwich kind of technique and just use 2, sometimes even 3 different base coats, of course making sure that each layer is completely dry before going in with the next one, and then apply your colored polish. That way you have like a little extra protection from staining and just very bright pigmented colors that might discolor your natural nail plate. So yeah, just wanted to put that out there. The next color is called Never Let Me Down. This color kind of threw me off a bit. I don't really feel like this is a super spring summery color. For some people it might be an all year round color. I do really love this stone though. It is kind of like a burgundy, kind of like a soft burgundy kind of color, or at least that is what it looks like me, like a burgundy berry kind of mixture or something like that. I do really love the color, and the pigmentation was spot on with that first coat already. Do make sure to not really get this onto your skin, or at least remove it ASAP if you have some flooding around the cuticle area or onto the skin next to the nails, because this will definitely be a stainer. So yeah, if you get something on the skin, just remove it, and make sure you don't walk around like a couple of days with like a weird colored stain on your skin, because that has happened to the best of us. And if you know what it's like you've been there. Like I know how it works. You know how it's like to have like nail polish stains even on your skin, even by knocking a bottle over or something like that. I know what it's like. So definitely let me know in the comments down below if you had some massive like nail polish spills, like knocking over bottles, maybe even getting it on your clothes or something. I had to throw out so many jeans, like my favorite jeans as well, because I got like neon colored polish on it. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you had any nail polish accidents and what happened and how did you deal with it. But yeah, the last color from the new Shine Less and Go collection polishes is this beautiful nude color. And you might know this already. I really love nude colors like these. This one is actually a very nice skin tone kind of color, especially for me. It's a really nice nude, but I do think that if you have a darker skin or darker complexion, that it would look really beautiful as well. Just a very neutral, natural kind of shade as well. It definitely needs at least 2 coats. I think it will need 2 coats if you have shorter nails as well. But if you do have this particular polish and you have shorter nails, let me know if you can wing it with just 2 coats, or if you need a 3rd coat as well. Just in this video, I'm only swatching with 2 coats for each and every single color to give you a good like representation of what these polishes are able to do with just 2 coats. So yeah, I'm really curious to hear your thoughts and opinions about this color. I really like it. It's always nice to have a good neutral in your collection, and it's quite inexpensive as well. So yeah, I think it would have been better looking with 3rd coat, but you know, it's not bad for 2 coats, especially knowing that it is like a lighter nude shade. But yeah, these were all of my swatches of the new Essence Cosmetics Shine Last and Go nail polishes. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked it, and yeah, I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video.